This is a piano tutorial for It's Now or Never, and this time as a accompanist, so you have to find somebody to do a good Elvis impression for you. Sing this one. It starts out with an E flat chord in your right hand, B flat, E flat, and G like that. It's now or never. Come home. That's an F sharp diminished seventh chord. A, C, D sharp, F sharp. Hold me tight. That's an F minor. A flat, C, and F. B flat 7. A flat, B flat, D, and F. Kiss me, my darling. That's an F minor again. A flat, C, and F. B flat 7 again. A flat, B flat, D, F. Be mine tonight. There's another E flat chord. B flat, E flat, G. Tomorrow. That's an A flat minor chord. It's a B, E flat, A flat. Will be too late. That's another E flat chord. It's now. That's F sharp diminished seventh. A, C, D sharp, F sharp. Or never. Another B flat 7 chord. My love won't wait. There's an E flat chord. G, B flat, E flat. When I first saw you, still on E flat there, with your smile so tender. That's an A flat chord. A flat, C, E flat. My heart was captured. That's a B flat 7. F, A flat, B flat, D. My soul. That's A flat, A flat, A flat, C. Soul surrender. That's E flat, G flat, B, E flat. I spent a lifetime. Another E flat chord. B flat, E flat, G. Waiting for the right time. A flat, C, E flat. For now that's an A flat minor. In fact, let's do it like we did it before. B, E flat, A flat. Now that you're near E flat, it's time. F sharp diminished 7. The time is here. F minor. B flat 7. At last, E flat. G, B flat, E flat. A flat minor, A flat, B, E flat, back to E flat, and then it repeats at the beginning again. So those are the chords. So work on that separately. Then you'll need to add the root note down low as a bass note. So it's now or never. When you're playing that E flat chord there, you need an E flat down there. Come home. That's an F sharp diminished, so you gotta have an F sharp for the bass note. Then you go back down to F for that. And then when you're playing B flat 7, you gotta do that B flat. Whatever the note, the chord's named for, you play that down low. So add that when you're ready, and when you're all through, this is what it sounds like. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I've spent a lifetime waiting for the right time, and now you're near, the time is here at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling.